Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear student of first prep, we are going to solve questions for March exam. We will start with questions for lesson 1 chemical combination. We said we have a lot of questions for Egyptian Knowledge Bank. We have to solve these questions. Okay, let's join us and let's start with the first question. Okay, first question says that the property of metals allow them to be drawn into thin wires. What is the meaning of this? Okay, we can make a sheets or like a paper from metals. Okay, what is the property of this one that illustrate the meaning of thin wires or sheets or papers? We have magnetism, ductility, electrical conductivity, luster, and the last one, thermal conductivity. Okay, the right answer will be what? The right answer will be ductility. The right answer will be ductility. Okay, let's going to question number 2. Okay, question number 2 says that a chemist find a sample of a shiny liquid in the back of a storage cabinet despite being a liquid at room temperature. The sample has many properties of a metal. Which element might be the liquid B? Okay, we said we have uh, only liquid metal, liquid and shiny. Without this sentence at all, we have choices: mercury, sodium, magnesium, bromine, and lithium. I think it's easy question without any doubt. We have the properties of mercury, and it's the right answer. In the previous year, we take all the properties of mercury as it is a liquid, good conductor of heat, shiny, have the properties of what? Of a metal, but in only a liquid state. Okay, let's go into question number 3. Okay, question number 3 says that the physical properties of a boron suggest that it could be classified as a metal and a non-metal. Okay, what name is given to elements that exhibit properties of both metals and non-metals? Okay, we have kind of elements. We classify elements in the previous year or from fourth primary into metals and non-metals. This year we classified elements into 4 groups. We said we have metals, non-metals, inert gases, and in between metal and non-metal we have metalloid or semi-metal elements. They have both the properties of metals and non-metals. Like what? Like it can conduct electricity, but it is in a gas state. Also, we have different kinds of metals and non-metals that have both properties of metals and non-metal even in the physical state or in liquid state. So the right answer will be number C, metalloid. Okay, let's go into question number 4. Okay, question number 4 says that at room temperature all of elements that are metals are solid. Okay, apart from one exception. Okay, in which states of matter can elements of non-metal exist at room temperature? Okay, if we said we have all metals are solid except mercury is liquid, so we have metals in solid and liquid. But in case of non-metals, all the 3 physical states present of non-metal, so we have solid, liquid, and gas. So the right answer will be number A, solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, let's go into question number 5. Okay, question number 5 says that which of the following properties are not true for a metal? Okay, we have here one of these properties not belongs to metal. We have good conductor of heat, ductile, lustrous, malleable, and the last one, poor conductor of electricity, So the last one will be the property not belong to what? Not belong to a metal. Okay, it's belong to non-metal. Okay, let's go into question number 6. We have in question number 6 a table indicating the physical properties of 3 successive elements. We have aluminium, silicon, and phosphorus. Okay, are drawn in the table below. Which one of these elements can be classified as a metalloid? Okay, if we look at the properties in this side, we have thermal conductivity, we have electrical conductivity, we have appearance and elasticity. Okay, if we said metals have different properties and non-metal have different properties, what is the properties in between them that indicate that we are what? That we are metalloids? We have a property of metal and other belong to non-metal. So we have here silicon. Silicon is a element that belongs to metal and non-metal. We called it metalloid as it gain or have some properties of metal, like what? Like electric conductivity, like thermal conductivity, but it low, and shiny as solid and gray in color, or blue gray color, and other properties that taken from non-metal. It's a brittle or can be easily broken. Okay, so we have the properties of metals and non-metals gaining both of properties, so we called it what? Metalloid or semi-metal. Okay, let's go into question number 7. Okay, question number 7 says that the electronic configuration of 5 elements are shown below. Which element is mostly like a metal? Okay, we said, what about metal? Metal contains less than 4 electrons in the outermost energy level. Okay, so if we have here 2 in the outer, 7, 4, and here carbon 4, and here we have 6, and the last one have 7. Okay, what do you think is the right answer here? We have likely to be a metal. The first answer, number A, that contain 282, that contain in M level 2 electrons, and it will lose them, so it belongs to what? It belongs to metal. Okay, let's go into question number. Okay, question number 8 says that the bar chart below shows the electrical conductivity for 4 substances. Okay, we have substance A, B, C, and D. Which of the following might be the identity of substance B? Okay, substance B have high conductivity of electricity, so some of substance belong to non-metal and good conductor of electricity. We have taken it from 4th primary. We have carbon or graphite. It's a non-metal, but it gained the property of metal as it is good conductor of electricity. Okay, I think it's easy question for us. Okay, let's go into question number 9. Question number 9 says that the bar chart below shows the electrical conductivity of 5 elements. We have lithium, vanadium, chlorine, silver, and manganese. Which element is a non-metal? Okay, do you think what is the properties that make them considered as electric conductivity? Has high scales in the chart, but the only that has low conductivity, it belongs to non-metal, so chlorine will be the right answer here. This is the question of number 9. Okay, the right answer will be chlorine as a non-metal. Okay, let's go into question number 10. Okay, question number 10 says that which of the following images show a non-metal? Okay, what is the main properties that take or we can consider it is the main property. For non-metal, it is not shiny or don't have luster, or not, we can say we have a colored or bright color to it, or bright when light falls on it. So we have here in the first one copper, the second one we have aluminium, and the third one we have silver. So the right answer will be sulfur. In the we have a piece of sulfur indefinite in shape, so the right answer will be number D. It's a non-metal called sulfur. Okay, this is the second part of our revision, okay, about Egyptian Knowledge Bank Nagwa platform. Okay, we are going to solve a lot of questions for this kind. We have this part, we called it physical properties of metals and non-metals. Okay, please revise every question. If you have any question, please leave it below the video. Okay, goodbye and good luck.